be asking yourselves, why the hell am I speaking in English? And why the hell do I got this fucking accent?
Control the match by keep playing the left, the right.
My accent sucks. This is a new proposal for the channel. We're gonna be here every single morning making this vlog in English for you guys. So as we are here in... I hate speaking English. I hate so much. So as we are here in this first vlog, speaking in English, I thought it was good. Talking about English, the English language. And the first thing, That's the first thing we're gonna talk about. The TH sound. We don't got this in Portuguese. We only got this fucking sound in English. Nobody out of the States or Canada or United Kingdom, Australia, I don't know, any more countries that speak English language.
You are so dumb. You are really dumb.
Can't pronounce this fucking sound. It's an annoying sound. Think. This sound here. Are you put the tongue up here in the teeth? I really can't do that. I really can't do that. Can you do that? Me neither.
Yes, we can.
So, Victor, what the hell are we gonna talking about right now? You're making a vlog. You should know what the fuck you're talking about.
Yeah, but I don't know what I'm fucking talking about here.
You put the camera on. You're here making a vlog. You should know what the fuck you're talking about.
We can talk about the English language and stuff.
Blah, blah.
And this was the worst vlog ever.